Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the multiple capture feature on Instagram. First, let's open the Instagram app. Then you can select your story or slide the screen to the right. Then you're going to select multiple capture in the left hand corner. Then from there, you simply press the circle and you can see it start taking photos. And it takes multiple photos. And after you've finished taking the photos, you can simply press right below the circle there, next, and then you can select the photo that you would like to post, or you can post all three by pressing next. But when you select the photo, you can also add sticker to each photo, add a specific sticker to each photo if you like, or you can write a text on each photo if you would like. As you can see, I'm doing here on the first one, I added a sticker. On the second one, I'm going to add a different sticker. You can see there. And then you simply press next. And it will post all three.